lumulutang din po ngayon yung sinasabing kailangan na po nating bumalik sa ICC after what happened. Especially the lawyers po. And sir, of course.
Ako personal ito, opinion, nasagot ko na rito dati. Yung International Criminal Court is the global court for the powerless, meaning court of last resort. Yung kanilang general jurisdiction, ito yung nagdi-deal sa mga war crimes, genocide, crimes against humanity. Doon nakapokus yung kanilang jurisdiction. And halimbawang ma-invade tayo ng ibang bansa, without referring to any particular country. Baka kung hindi tayo membro, hindi tayo makasik ng redress o hindi tayo makapag-complain kasi hindi tayo recognized. Kung sakali mayroong mga war crimes na nakomit dito, nung bansang hypothetical ito na mag-i-invade. So ako ang personal opinion ko, we should rejoin. And I limit my answer to my personal opinion na sabi ko nga, Global Court for the Powerless. Ito yung universally abhorred crimes committed against a group of people. Binanggit ko na, genocide and so forth and so on. So, yon, very strong ang ano ko rito, we should rejoin.